So from yesterday, we're going to do a little bit of a review, and then I have a little activity, kind of a game of sorts that we're going to play. And I have some sentence parts for you. We talked about clauses, and we talked about how we have two types of the main clause, and we have the, what's the other one? Main clauses?
That clause.
Dependent clauses, right? We can also call them subordinate clauses. You probably remember my little drawing from the board. Mr. Independent clause has 2 feet.
Yeah.
And the other one has the 1 foot, and he needs to lean on the other. So when we talk about noun clauses, are they main clauses or are they dependent? Do they need to be attached to something?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, they do, right. They can't stand, they have 1 foot, and they'll fall over. So the types that we talked about yesterday, we have noun clauses that begin with question words, the WH question words, and those are,
That.
we can have that, we can have those. So what about some of the question ones? How do I recognize, what are my question words?
What?
What,
Where?
where,
When?
why? They tell us this little, do it on your fingers. Who, what, when, where, why. And we have how, because how is in there even though it's not a WH question word. They still kind of stick it in there extra for us. All right, so we have question words, and we have clauses that start with that. And we have the other type, the third type that we talked about yesterday, whether and if. Those are used for specific types of questions.
Yeah.
How do I use whether or if?
With the yes or no.
With yes or no, exactly. That's what we use them with. If we have a yes or no question, then our noun clause will be whether or if. Please tell me whether you like pizza or not, right? Like we talked about. So what I have for you, I'm going to divide you in, I think we'll just do 2. It'll be uneven. There'll be a 4 and a 3, but that's okay. We can still do this that way. If we say, I'm going to do this a little differently because the same people are always together, and I'm going to switch it up a little bit. So I'm going to start, you're going to be 1, Mom, and you're going to be 2, and you're going to be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So if I could get the 1s to sit over here, and the 2s to sit over here, that would be awesome.
Yeah. No, you are. Okay.
You can move the furniture around however we need to. I know this room is usually set up one way.
Can go.
I'm going to give each group a cup
Coffee.
of coffee, yes. I wish. I would love to give us all a big cup of coffee. But instead, I'm going to give you a cup of clauses. It's just as delicious as coffee, but it's better for you. Okay? It might not keep you awake, though. I don't know. But I have a cup of clauses. Some of them are main clauses, and some of them are noun clauses. Some of them will go together. Some of them won't. Your mission is, I'm going to give you about 4 or 5 minutes to dump these cups out and put together as many logical sentences as you can with a main clause and a noun clause. Now, I have made it a little bit easier on you because I have separated everything out by punctuation and capitalization. If something is not a capital letter, can I put it at the front of a sentence?
No.
No. Can I begin sentences with noun clauses, though?
Yes.
Yes, I can. They can be in the subject position. So I will give you these. Let me, I'm going to set the timer so we don't go incredibly long. Now, I'm going to give you an option as well. If you see something that you don't like or can't use, you can offer to trade. You can trade with each other, but it is a competition. So go ahead and start shuffling and start making some sentences. I'm going to give you about 4 minutes to come up with these. You can elect a shuffler, you can elect a writer. You don't necessarily have to write them down. We will put them on the board in a few minutes.
Here it is independent.
They can be rearranged in many different ways. More than one possibility is possible. Well, possibilities are possible, aren't they? So we have one group separating out noun clauses, another group separating out noun clauses. Good strategy. Get your main clauses and your noun clauses together. Figure out what's what. I'm going to say about 3.5 minutes. We're going to make this really fast.
I wonder.
When's birthday? I don't know.
Can you make it like this because you can't read it?
Okay.
Yeah, make it like this.
I don't know what noun clause is.
I think it is. I think it's strange.
I think it's strange. It's strange that we should get that.
This one.
Other than that,
This one. How about this one?
that the student is working.
I saw
It's strange.
I did have
That doesn't sound like
What
English.
is?
I wonder if
This is. I wonder. The third one.
No. This is together?
Yeah. It doesn't know that the twins don't look like. No, this is not good.
You might have a few extras. You might have a few too many noun clauses. You might have a few main clauses that don't have a noun clause. It's not completely matched up. I just shoved things into a cup.
No. It's true?
Yeah,
How?
it's true.
Yeah, it's not
It's
correct.
true, it's not true.
that he's Lord.
Yeah, okay. It's true that he's Lord. It was fortunate that
What do you need?
it was a fortunate means lucky.
Alright, let's say about another 90 seconds.
Fortunate, that doesn't look like.
Do you have some extras that don't fit?
It is. It's
What else? It's mystery. It's not
Yeah, I think they are something
it's
not fit. Yeah.
How much money? Is there any other thing?
What does the teacher do? I cannot believe what the teacher does after work. What does she do after work?
I have to know how much the method.
Whatever it is, you can't believe it. Let's see what we have over
Okay.
here.
Where the students are is a mystery.
Where the students are? How many?
This is who knows the how much you can make all the message. Whether
Like that. Cool. Okay, done.
Alright, excellent. We have one group done already. Did you match? Did everything match, or did you
No.
have extras?
No,
It's the last three.
extras.
Yeah, some extras are going to happen. Alright, so let's see what we have.
Okay.
Why don't you give me a couple of your sentences, and this team is going to help me verify that you have used the noun clauses and the main clauses correctly, so you guys have to listen carefully. Alright, give me something. Give me your favorite one so far.
Nobody knows where the post office is.
Okay? Can we say nobody knows where the post office is? Is that a valid sentence?
Yes.
Where's my noun clause? Where's the,
Where's the post office is?
because we got a question word there so we can recognize it. Give me one more, and then I'm going to ask over here.
I can't believe if I'm going to pass level 5.
I cannot believe if I'm going to pass level 5. What do you guys think about that? I cannot believe if I'm going to pass level 5.
No.
No, what's wrong with that?
I can't believe it should followed by that clause.
That clause, right. So we have to have it followed by that clause.
Yeah.
So what could we use? I cannot believe, we could fix this. I cannot believe
That I'm going.
that I'm going to pass level 5. We can fix it that way. Excellent. Let's move over here and see what we have. Give me your favorite sentence.
I don't know what a noun clause is.
Me either. What is a noun clause? I don't know. You have to explain it to me. What's another one?
It's surprising that the twins look nothing alike.
Okay, can we use that? It's surprising that the twins look nothing alike.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can use all of those. So we have certain words that are followed by that, and then our whether and if. Yes. Or no, thank you. Somebody got. All right, great. All right, so let me collect these, and we'll put them back in the cups.
Okay.
We're going to recycle. I have to recycle. The other class gets to play with these as well. And good. We can move on a little bit. Yeah, you can go ahead and switch them up. I might switch them up a second time before I take them to the other class. Who knows? But now we can get on to our next order of business, which is quoted speech. So that'll be it for the noun clause review.